Hello everyone, today let's solve climbing stairs. So given us steps and we have to figure out how many ways to climb to the top. Okay, so let's see. For the step 1, we can only climb from the ground, right? So one way. For the step 2, we can climb from the step 1, we can also climb from the ground, right? So for step 1, we have only one way. For step 2, we have two ways. For the step 3, we change color because it's too similar. Step 3, we can climb from step 2, right? We can also climb from step 1, right? Because we can only climb 1 or 2 steps. So in here, we will have, because we climb from step 2, we have two ways, right? And climb from step 1, we have one way. So we just use 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1, right? Just 3. So you can see that we can create this algorithm is that we have to remember the previous step and something like this. For n steps, we can climb from the previous step, or we can climb from the previous 2 steps, right? So that's how we can solve this problem. And remember the edge cases is that for the 0 step, okay, just from here means that we have to set to 1, means that we just don't climb the step. It means 1. Okay, so let's see how can we implement the code. So first we just create a memorization. Okay, just store each step. So how many ways for each step? So it's just like a slice of int, plus 1, okay, because we have also to store the 0. So for the step 0, we just put 1, and for the step 1, we just put also 1, because we can only climb 1 step. And start from 2. From the step from 2 step small or equal to n step plus plus. So for the step, we just follow this rule, right? Start from step minus, we can climb from the previous step, or we can climb from the previous 2 steps, right? And then in the end, we just return the end, the step we want. And for this algorithm, time complexity is O(n), and the space complexity is also O(n), because we need to create a space to store the previous data, right? How many ways this step can climb. And for the time complexity is n, because we have to loop through each step. And that's it. Let's see, submit. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching.